Hey guys, today I have a QVC haul. I want to show you a makeup kit and some jewelry along with one handbag and lots of fashion items. So let's get started with this QVC haul. So the first thing that I want to share with you is this makeup kit, and it's from Laura Geller. So I thought this was a really cute gift idea because it comes with 4 complete face palettes in here. It's called the Party in a Palette Guest of Honor. But I really like that. So you can kind of see on the back, it has your full face palettes. These are great to travel with if you don't want to take a lot of stuff and you want to pack minimally. So you can see how pretty that this is packaged, and this one's called the Social Butterfly. And on this one, you have a blush and a highlighter in the center, and then you have all these eyeshadow shades. So you've got the base, the lid, the crease, the inner corner, the outer corner, and the line. So you've got all of these different ones that are already put together for you. So if you're somebody that doesn't really like to put a lot of effort in that makeup, this shows you exactly, and it's on here so you're not going to forget exactly where to put everything. So that's really nice, and it also comes with a mirror. So that is one of them, but there are 4 included in that, and I think the price of this was under $30. And then the next one's this really pretty one called the Hostess, and then again, you've got that mirror. In the center, you've got the blush and the highlighter, and then you've got all of the different colors for your eyes. This one is called the Dancing Queen. Again, all of those beautiful colors. This one's got a little green in it, which is really nice, and it's got some shimmers over here. But you got your blush and your bronzer in the center of this one. And then this one is really pretty. I really love the packaging of this one. It's called the Best Dressed. That's a shimmer shade, and this is a really cute, almost like a glitter shade. So these palettes are really nice because you've got your full face. Next up, I want to show you some jewelry pieces. I love to get jewelry from QVC, especially when it's on clearance prices and sale prices and just special. So I've got this ring I want to show you, so let me unpackage it. So let me give you a little bit of a close-up. This is absolutely beautiful, and I think that this runs true to size. This is a 2-tone, so you can see it's got gold here, and then it's got the silver, and then it runs through to the gold and silver on this side. It's really neat. And it's got this purple stone. There's different color stones that you can get on the inside of this, but I just love this. Let me see if it'll show up really good against the black. It's just such a pretty design. I'll also kind of try to put a picture up there so you can see a close-up of their stock photo on this one, but really pretty, and the ring does run true to size. I think that was from Affinity, and the next few jewelry pieces that I'm going to be sharing with you are from Diamonique. It's really beautiful, and it has that diamond look, but it's really inexpensive. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is this necklace, and let me just show you how beautiful this is. So it's in the silver, but I do believe that they have it in the gold tone and even the rose gold tone, I believe, but it's just got these circle diamond looks. And let me put it on with this black background. I think it'll look so pretty, but this would be a good necklace to stack with. And so there's lots of adjustment. You can adjust this as long or as short as you want it to get. I usually put mine about midways, especially if I'm going to be stacking it, and this is going to be the bottom one. I might put it a little bit lower. So just look how gorgeous this is. It's such a pretty necklace, and I just don't know if it's showing you how beautiful this is. I thought it might show up a little bit against this black, but it's really pretty. It's got all those little circle diamond looks on there. And then the next necklace that I want to show you is from Diamonique as well, and it is this heart. It is so pretty, just this dainty little heart. Again, it's set in the silver, but they do have all of the different colors in this one too. Now, this one's not adjustable. It only has one length, but I was going to see how it looked layered with this other necklace. So I may have to adjust the other necklace to make it look good for a layered look. So look how pretty that is. That's a really good layered look. You've got that little dainty stone and then that beautiful circle bar right there below it. That looks really cute layered together, and these were really affordable. And then the last piece of jewelry that I wanted to share with you is also from Diamonique as well, and it is also set in the silver tone. I guess I was just going a little bit crazy with the silver tone today, but these are beautiful earrings. So they are that hoop style, and then you can see the gorgeous, they're almost like an emerald cut diamond look on here. But the thing that I love about them is when you have them on, the diamonds are on the inside. So you've got the diamond look on the outside in the front, but instead of being able to see the inside where it would be the silver look, you've got the diamond in the back. So this is really pretty. So you can see that from all sides. So let me put these on so you can see what they look like. And they're just a regular post back. These are so substantial, you guys. They are nice and big, so they're going to really show, but they're not heavy at all. Gorgeous. So you can see, if you're looking from the front, how you see the inside of that. That's got that diamond look, so you're seeing it all the way around. Absolutely beautiful. I think this whole set, like The earrings and both of these necklaces look so pretty. And let me just put the other ring on that I showed you as well. So there you go. You have a complete look without a bracelet. These are some really beautiful jewelry pieces that I'm excited to share with you guys, and I'm really excited to start wearing these. So next I want to show you a handbag that I picked up, and then we will move on to the clothing items. And it's this one from the brand House of Want. So I'm not sure if this particular raffia is still available, but it does have some other colors that it does come in. I think this is really nice. Love the puffy material of this, and you can see it is that raffia, but they do have some other ones that don't have this same kind of material. I love the envelope style in the front. It is a snap closure, and then you have this small pocket in the front where you can put your cell phone really easily and keep it separate from what's in here. It does come with a little dust cover, and I should have probably taken this out. But here you go. Here's the inside of it. It does have a little zipper pocket in the back, and you've got a pretty good amount of room. It's a really neat bag. I think it's a great smaller size bag, but you don't have to worry about putting a big wallet in here because on the back of this, it actually has its own built-in wallet. So when you open this up, you can see it has several card slots and then a longer slot at the top for bills or receipts. And then in the back, you've got even more. Now this one is not a long one. The very top of this one is actually divided too. So you have lots of room for credit cards, gift cards, any of those things. And then you can even drop something down in this, and you've got a little bit of room because you've got this nice gusset. So you don't even have to put your wallet in here. You can keep it completely separate. This material is so soft, and it comes with 2 straps. So you can wear it over the shoulder with this strap if you want to, or you can keep this as a detail on the front and just leave it hanging there. And then you can also wear this crossbody. So the crossbody is adjustable by buckle adjustment, and I think actually there's 2 more that I can adjust it shorter. But then there's a lot more that I can adjust it longer. There's like 2 more that I can adjust longer. It's got the little slider, so you don't have to worry about the strap flipping back and forth. And then this is detachable. If you don't want to have this on, you can take this off. But I think this is really cute, you guys, and I think it's a great size. Really nice, casual to just fit your necessities, but it's got that built-in wallet, so it's so good. All right, now we're gonna move on to the clothing items. And the first thing I wanna share with you is actually what I've been wearing. This is so nice and cozy. It's from Cuddlduds, and in Cuddlduds, I usually size down to a small, and so that's what this is a small, and there's plenty of room. It's got these really nice slits in the front. It gives it a little bit of dimension in the front. Instead of just your regular pullover, it gives it a little bit of different look. And then it also has this zipper pocket on the sleeves. You do have thumb holes if you want to put your thumbs in there, or if not, then you can just leave it like I had it. Just a regular crew neck, but this is so soft, you guys. If you know the fleece material from Cuddlduds, then you know what I'm talking about. It's nice and warm and comfortable, but this is just a really nice go-to fleece top because their material and their fleece is so nice and comfortable and soft and warm feeling. And then I did pair it with these Kim Gravel pants, and they are so comfortable as well. So they actually do have a button and a zip. I know a lot of her clothing items are usually a pull-on style. This is in a beautiful wine color. It has this top pocket, and I forgot to put shoes on to have you a complete outfit. I just completely forgot about that until I was just now looking. But these are cute. I wanted to show you the length of these. These actually fit me right at the ankle. I am 5'5" for reference. I will put my measurements in the description box for you guys, but these are so good. I love these. I got them in a size 8, which with Kim Gravel, I could go between a 6 and an 8. A lot of times with the pull-on style, I will get a 6, but I wanted these to be a little bit looser, fit more of a wide leg, a little bit more room in the thigh area. So I did do the upper size that I get in Kim Gravel, which is the 8. There's plenty of room. You can see how much room I could actually have went down to the 6. These come in a lot of colors, and I think they even come in maybe some denim colors, but these are a really nice wide leg pant, comfortable. I love her material in her bottoms. So I took the pants off because I kind of wanted to show you an up close with the lighting so you could see it a little bit better, the color, because I know when I had to back off far from the camera, it was kind of hard to see, but I also wanted to show you the pretty seaming detail that's in here. So that kind of slims your legs. Even though this is that wide leg, you've got that seaming detail that draws that eye in and slims your legs. And then you've got those really nice top pockets. But I wanted to show you that it's more like a denim material, just a colored denim material. Lots of other colors, but this color is gorgeous. And so I just did want to show you an up close of these. Now I want to move on to this reversible jacket. It is from Susan Graver. And I did get it in a small, which is normal Susan Graver. So normally I'm a medium, but with most things Susan Graver, I will size down to a small. This is the fleece side. So you've got the fleece side out, and it's in this pretty deep plum color, but there's other colors that this comes in color variations. But then you can see that you have the peak of the inside color that's in the Sherpa. You've got a little bit of that trims the shoulders, then it goes along down the sleeve as well, and then it kind of trims along the side. So you do have pockets, side pockets, and when you put your hands in the pockets, when you've got fleece side out, the pockets are Sherpa fillings. So this is how it looks in the small. I've got plenty of room in here, and then it does have the hoods. Now let me reverse this for you guys so you can see the Sherpa side out, and then you're gonna have that really nice warm fleece on the inside. It's more of that finer gauge Sherpa, not real loose. Let me show you it up close so you can kind of see. It's that more thin, tightly woven, and then you've got the accents of the other color. And then when you have it Sherpa side out, fleece side in, you still have pockets, and the pockets are fleece lined, so nice and warm for those as well. And then the hood again is going to be the fleece on the inside. If you want to stay warm this winter, then you need to double up like I just did. So I still have that Cuddlduds really nice fleece top on that's really super warm and comfortable. Then I put on this Koolaburra by UGG cozy Sherpa wrap. So it's kind of trimmed with this beige color. So you've got a two-tone in any of the colors you choose. This is not the only color that it comes in. It's got some top pockets, and I love how it's trimmed with this khaki, this camel color, but you can just wrap up in this and be so nice and cozy and warm. The inside is made out of that same fleece material. It's like a brushed back fleece material, but then the outside is that really nice fleece Sherpa feel to it. So good. It's so nice and warm. Now, to get this in a small, and as you can see, I can wrap it around if I want to do that, but it's really nice and cozy. The sleeves are perfect length, but if you do want to roll them up, you've got that little peak of color with those as well. So if you want to trim the bottom of the sleeves just like the collar, then you can do that, because to here, it has the same color. So then you can see after that, it does go to the navy. So it's just kind of this bottom cuff right here. So this is from Susan Graver. I love it in this berry color. And I love that whole fit and flare, that swing style that she makes with some of her clothing items. This is from this sport line that she has. It has side pockets. It does have thumb holes. It's more of your casual look. It does have a hoodie on the back. It's more of your thinner style hoodie. In Susan Graver, I'm usually a small. This one, I got an extra small, probably because the small was not available in this color, but I can go with both sizes in Susan Graver. Got plenty of room. The waist has plenty of room in it. It's got that really cute swing style. So you can button this up or you can leave it open, however you want to do it. You can see the back is a little bit longer than the front. Again, it has that bottom coverage, so if you do want to wear this with some leggings, have a more athletic look. You've got buttons right here and the thumb holes on the sleeves. You've got this seaming detail that kind of gives it a more fitted look as well. I remember when I first got this and tried it on, I remember how good this felt. This is butter. It is so good. This is like a luxe feeling top. So I'm definitely gonna have to pick this up in another color because I don't want to take this shirt off. This is from Cuddlduds. Again, this is really nice, but this feels different than the first fleece top that I showed you. This is such a luxe feeling material. It's got these side slits, and this is a V-neck as opposed to the other one was that crew neck. I did get this one in a medium, so I did size up in this one from my regular Cuddlduds size, but it's my normal size across the board with other brands. So this is nice. You've got a lot of room, but if you want a little bit more of a fitted look, then you can size down or stick to your true Cuddlduds size. But it's got this really nice detail here at the neckline. You do have thumb holes if you want that. This inside feels so nice. It has that fleecy material. I cannot explain how soft this is. The inside is super soft with that fleece material, but the outside is just really soft. If you just run your hands through this, it doesn't feel like a sweatshirt material. It is a lot softer than that. This is so good. I love this color, but I'm gonna have to go back and get some more colors because this is a great casual top, but it's nice and soft and comfortable. It doesn't really fully cover the bottom, so you're not gonna be able to wear this with leggings. It's so good, you guys. This is a nice one, really good. So it can't be a QVC haul unless I bring you some Barefoot Dreams. I love to buy Barefoot Dreams from QVC because a lot of times they have exclusive styles that are just a QVC for I think 6 months, and then they'll be released to the regular website and wherever else Barefoot Dreams is sold. But this is so nice. This is more of a tunic style. So I love this because I am going to wear this with leggings. I know I have it with jeans right now. It has a small slit on the side, really comfortable. This is the Cozy Chic Ultra Light. So this is the lightest fabrication that you can wear throughout all of the seasons. Got this in a medium, my true Barefoot Dream size. And I can't remember the color of this one. Is this Beach Rock? This looks like the Beach Rock color. And it's got a great V-neck. You've got your strings for the hoodie because it does have a hoodie on the back, one of the thinner hoodies. And then look at the detail. Can you see that it has that open stitch detail that is all the way down on the front of this one? So nice. But I love that it's the tunic style because you can wear this with your leggings. Runs true to size, and it's the Cozy Chic Ultra Light. And last but not least is another Barefoot Dreams sweater. This is the Cozy Chic Light fabrication. This to me is my favorite because it's a little bit weightier than that Cozy Chic Ultra Light. And I don't know, I just kind of like the feel of it a little bit better, but the Cozy Chic Ultra Light is really good too. This color, I love this color of this one. And I don't really like to wear a turtleneck, but I like the way that a turtleneck or a cow neck looks with the vest over top of it. So I like that look, but I just can't wear anything that's just on my neck. I just don't like that. So this is great because it is a cow neck. So you've got that look of a turtleneck, but you got that looseness where it's not on your neck. So if you're somebody like me that doesn't like anything on your neck, this is a good one because it gives you that look, but you don't have to worry about being, you know, up there. But you can move it around a little bit if you do like that, and you can have it up there. You can kind of put it off your shoulders a little bit and have a different look too. If you want to do that, you can kind of have a little bit of a different look. So you can play with this a little bit if you want to. It's really nice. This color's gorgeous. And let me just show you how long it is, but I'll just kind of like roll it under. You can even take this under the Cozy Chic Light. You can actually take into your jeans if you want to do that. But this is really nice. I think it's a great weight, and you know, Barefoot Dreams just feels dreamy. It's a great brand. Love it. So this is another good sweater. And I did get this in my true Barefoot Dreams medium size. All right, guys, so that is going to be it for this QVC try-on haul. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.